In the grand tapestry of human history, certain chapters are written not in words, but in monumental structures that transcend time and echo the audacity of human imagination. These architectural marvels stand as living testament to the creativity, vision, and sheer determination of civilizations across epochs. From the dawn of humanity's earliest endeavors to the cutting-edge achievements of today, the world has been graced with awe-inspiring creations that challenge the limits of possibility. These man-made wonders are not merely concrete and steel. They embody the essence of our aspirations, the culmination of our knowledge, and the reflection of our cultures. As we embark on a voyage through the ages, we are beckoned to explore the narratives woven into these 5 exceptional achievements, each illuminating a unique facet of human ingenuity. Join us as we uncover the stories behind these iconic treasures and unravel the profound legacy they have imprinted on the human story. 1. The Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China, an emblem of human determination and architectural brilliance, stands as one of the most iconic and awe-inspiring man-made wonders in history. Stretching over 13,000 miles across the diverse landscapes of China, this monumental fortification is a testament to the unwavering dedication of ancient civilizations to protect their realms. Its construction spanned centuries, employing a labor force that showcased the resilience and creativity of human endeavor. Beyond its defensive purpose, the Great Wall represents a profound unity of culture, a physical manifestation of the collective will of a nation. As a symbol of the human capacity to conquer daunting challenges, the Great Wall of China is an enduring reminder of our ability to shape the world around us. 2. The Pyramids of Giza. The Pyramids of Giza, nestled in the vast Egyptian desert, stand as an awe-inspiring tribute to the ingenuity and mastery of ancient civilizations. Constructed over 4,500 years ago, these monumental structures were meticulously designed and built as eternal resting places for pharaohs and their treasures. The sheer size and precision of the pyramids continue to captivate the imagination of historians and travelers alike. Each stone was meticulously carved and perfectly aligned, showcasing the advanced mathematical and engineering knowledge possessed by the ancient Egyptians. The Great Pyramid, in particular, remains a symbol of human achievement, representing the deep cultural and spiritual beliefs of a society that sought to immortalize its rulers through these enduring architectural marvels. As time marches on, the Pyramids of Giza stand as a testament to the enduring legacy of a civilization that harnessed its resources and expertise to create structures that still echo through the corridors of history. 3. The Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal, a resplendent jewel nestled in Agra, India, stands as a timeless testament to love, artistry, and architectural finesse. Commissioned by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in the 17th century as a mausoleum for his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal, its pristine white marble facade shimmers ethereally against the backdrop of the Yamuna River. The Taj Mahal's intricate detailing, meticulously carved reliefs, and symmetrical layout showcase a harmonious fusion of Persian, Islamic, and Indian architectural styles. As the sun traverses the sky, the monument transforms, displaying an exquisite play of light and shadow that mirrors the ever-changing emotions of human existence. It is not merely a structure of grandeur, but a living embodiment of an emperor's love and an enduring symbol of human devotion transcending the boundaries of time. 4. The Coliseum. The Coliseum, an iconic emblem of ancient Rome's grandeur, stands as a magnificent testament to both architectural prowess and cultural significance. With its distinctive elliptical design, capable of accommodating up to 80,000 spectators, the Coliseum showcases the remarkable engineering skills of its time. Beyond its awe-inspiring exterior, this historic amphitheater serves as a captivating window into the social fabric of ancient Rome, hosting a diverse array of events ranging from gladiatorial combat to elaborate theatrical productions. The Coliseum encapsulates the fusion of entertainment and architectural innovation on a monumental scale, leaving an indelible mark on the annals of human history. 5. The International Space Station, ISS. The International Space Station, ISS, stands as a beacon of human collaboration and scientific achievement, pushing the boundaries of exploration beyond the confines of our planet. This state-of-the-art space laboratory orbits Earth, a testament to the power of international cooperation, as it brings together multiple nations in a shared quest for knowledge and understanding. As a symbol of our collective aspirations, the ISS serves as a vital platform for conducting groundbreaking research across various disciplines, from astronomy and physics to biology and climate science. Its very existence represents our ability to overcome technological challenges and work harmoniously toward common goals, opening up new frontiers of discovery and inspiring generations to come. 6. Machu Picchu. Machu Picchu, nestled amidst the towering peaks of the Andes, is a testament to the ingenuity and spiritual connection of the Inca civilization. This mystical citadel, hidden away until its rediscovery in 1911, is an architectural marvel perched at an altitude of nearly 8,000 feet. The precision with which massive stone blocks were cut, transported, and meticulously placed without the use of mortar showcases the Incas' mastery of construction techniques. The city's terraced fields, intricate water management systems, and celestial alignments reflect a profound understanding of nature's rhythms and the importance of sustainability. As a sanctuary dedicated to worship, scholarship, and community life, Machu Picchu's strategic location in the midst of breathtaking natural beauty highlights the Incas' reverence for the land they inhabited. Today, this UNESCO World Heritage Site stands not only as a cultural relic, but also as a source of inspiration for those who seek to unravel the mysteries of our shared human history. In a world driven by progress and innovation, the top 5 man-made wonders on Earth stand as profound reminders of humanity's capacity to transcend limitations and shape the course of history. These architectural marvels, each unique in its purpose and design, are a testament to the creativity, determination, and collaborative spirit that define us as a species. From the Great Wall of China's enduring fortitude to the pyramids of Giza's celestial alignment, from the Taj Mahal's poetic devotion to the Coliseum's amalgamation of entertainment and engineering, and finally, to the International Space Station's exploration beyond our planet, these wonders collectively tell a story of human ingenuity. As we marvel at these achievements, let us be inspired to pursue our own aspirations, overcome challenges, and continue building a future that mirrors the brilliance of our past. Just as these wonders have shaped our world, so too can our ideas and endeavors shape the world of tomorrow.